start using 2 freshly peeled plantains. We're going to use this to slice it up before we move to the air dryer. So let's see how that goes. So now I brought the pan out from the air fryer, and I would just like to put a bit of salt on my plantain chips just to give it a bit of a taste. And here at this point, if you're someone that wants pepper in yours, you can put some pepper. If you want cinnamon, whatever spices you'd like to taste in your plantain chips, this is the time for you to incorporate it now into the plantain slices. And then what I will do is I will pour it in and let's see the results. So I'm going to put a batch in first. So this is how it looks in here. Yeah, so this is how they turned out. Then I decided to do another batch in the air fryer where I just sliced my plantain as like normal slices, and then because I wanted to know how it will be for like frying plantain, I changed the settings here to 160 and I did it for 20 minutes and I had this result. The plantains are not dry, but they're also not too burnt. So we have a perfect what's it called, texture. It's not dry, it's still like normal plantain, and yeah, no oil was used in doing this. So this is my healthy plantain recipe, healthy way to fry your plantains. This air fryer only uses hot air to fry. No oil is required, nothing is required. All you have to do is to slice your plantain in and fry it. Or alternatively, you can also make plantain chips. This is with ripe plantains, very ripe plantains. But if you want your plantain chips to come out very hard, you would need to use like green plantains or semi-ripe plantains.